holidays right around the corner, we are going to be making some dulce de leche in the Instant Pot. Dulce de leche is a Mexican caramel sauce. I make this delicious caramel sauce for gifts, for teachers, for neighbors, to go along with the fresh apples from our garden. So let's go spice things up.
Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is take the paper off of the cans of sweetened condensed milk, and I have 2 of them. Next you want to do is, of course, open your cans. And then you'll want to cover these with aluminum foil. Nice and tight. Okay, so you want to keep your trivet at the bottom of your Instant Pot. And then you can go ahead and put your sweetened condensed milk right on top of the trivet. And now you want to add a bunch of water. And I'm going to fill it till it's at least halfway, if not a little more. About there is good. Okay, so now we're going to put the lid on. And then press sealing. Alright, so now I'm going to press the soup broth button, and it's at 35 minutes. I actually want to bring it to 30 minutes. And then it is going to come up to pressure. It's going to take a little bit to come up to pressure because there's a lot of water in there. There we go. But then it is going to come up to pressure, and it's going to start counting down from 30 all the way to 0. And then we're going to let it naturally release for 30 minutes. So we will come back when it has been naturally releasing for 30 minutes.
So if you happen to notice my beautiful watch in the video, I'm excited to announce we are teaming up with Yod Watches. They make the most beautiful wooden watches, and we are doing a giveaway. Link is in the description box. But if you do not want to wait, you can get $25 off with the coupon code cookingwithalittlespice. So go over and enter, and you will fall in love with these watches as well. So back to the video.
Alright, so it's been naturally releasing for 30 minutes. So we're going to just release the valve. Alright, we're going to open it up. And now I'm going to take the cans out. And just set them aside. And then you'll just want to take the foil off the top. And now I'm adding 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract to each can. And you'll just want to stir this until it is nice and smooth, just like this. So like I said, I like to make dulce de leche for gifts. So I take these little jars and I just put the caramel sauce into the jars. Put the lids on. Then I usually stick an apple on top, and then put some like plastic wrapping paper around it so you can kind of see it, and the teachers love these. And that's all there is to making dulce de leche. It is done.
Alright guys, so if you can see, I have the caramel sauce. Actually, it's almost all gone. My son got a hold of it and he loves this caramel sauce. Once I told my son I made it, I have to hide the rest of the jars. So let's give it a try. This caramel sauce is so good. It is the perfect gift for any of your friends and family. I hope you go home and make it. And remember, if you'd like to see more videos, please remember to subscribe to this channel. Thank you guys so much. Bye, and see you in the next video.